Hey, Coach. First off, congrats.
Thank you.
4-0 start. Something na never pa na-achieve ng Perps since 2015 pa po. So, siguro, ano lang po masasabi niyo na this win had to be hard-earned din ng fourth quarter?
Oo, actually lahat nung games namin, kailangan pigain para manalo kami. But ganun talaga sa NCAA, ganun ang kailangan. You have to play it possession by possession and grind. Actually, yung susunod na kalaban namin mas mabibigat pa, diba, after ng first 4 games. So kailangan, una sa amin is yung recovery, dahil dikit-dikit yung mga laro diba? Tapos we'll see, Letran yata ang susunod namin kalaban.
Yes,
so tingnan natin, galing sa panalo rin Letran, so mahirap din.
Coach, what does it say about sa character ng team nyo? Na yun nga, nasabi nyo kailangan pigain every panalo pero nagde-deliver talaga sila.
Well, I like the way they're responding dun sa gusto namin mangyari. They believe in the system that I put in. Grabe yung effort nila. Minsan naawa na nga ako sa sobrang nila effort, pero yun yung kailangan. We're not as talented as the other teams, so kailangan bawiin namin yun through other things. So yung effort, na yun, given na dapat yan sa amin. And I think they're giving more pa, which is what I like.